Hey, so in this video, I'm going to show you how I made my recent edit with the 3D effect on the manga panel. I'm going to be posting more anime and manga content, so make sure to subscribe and let's get into it. So first, make sure you have your composition settings. I put mine at 30 FPS and vertical 1080 by 1920. So what you want to do is just import your panel, but right now in Photoshop, I separated each layer. So each text layer is different. You can also do this in After Effects, but it was easier to do it in Photoshop. So first what you want to do is add a new camera layer and just set it as default settings. And add the 3D and motion blur for each object. After that, add how many null layers you want for like how many movements. I'm gonna do zoom out, zoom into the text on the right, zoom into the text on the left, zoom into the face, and then zoom out. So that's 5 movements. And then once you do that, grab this swirly thing and then bring it to the first null layer, and then the first null layer to the second one. Just keep doing that. So next, what you want to do is bring it into 2 view like this, and you're gonna move the text in the way you want, so it goes like in a different way. So I'm gonna do the Z movement to make it come closer to the screen, and then just move it with my cursor. I'll just keep moving it with the Z like that, coming closer, and just put it on the side. And then for the other text, I'll do the same for that one. So basically you're moving it closer and closer to the camera with the Z movements. So once you get all your null layers and you link them up with this swirly thing, just add on motion blur and the 3D motion for each of them. And then let's get started with the scale. So on the first one, just press S, keyframe at the start, and then keyframe where you want the scale to end. And then bring the scale to 1. And select it all, F9 to easy ease. This is value graph, and then smooth it out like this. Just like that, we have a smooth zoom like that. So now to do the position, you just press P and then make a keyframe where you want it to start, and then make a keyframe where you want it to end. And on the end one, just go with these values to where you want it to, like on the text, just like that. And then select them, always easy ease it. This time we'll do speed graph. Go in the middle of the 2 keyframes, and then bring them closer together like that. And we have, that's one movement. You can always play around with it and do it however you like. Let's get started with the second one. Do P again, keyframe. You're gonna go to where the other text is. And then do again, easy ease, and bring these together. And then do it for the other ones too. Then for the last one, you're gonna do another position graph, but this time you're gonna zoom it out all the way so that the entire screen is back into focus. That's kind of slow, so I'm just gonna bring it in. So that's how you do the 3D animation on the manga panels and how you make them look different with the perspective. If you guys like the tutorial, then like and subscribe. If you want any other tutorials made, just leave a comment and tell me what to do next.